Hello friends, welcome to Gear Me Up Travel and Photography channel, and today I'm going to try the focus stacking technique with my LG V30 smartphone and a macro lens. With macro photography, getting an entire subject in focus is a challenge. Even at high f-stops, the subject may not be completely in focus. To get an entire subject in focus, photographers often use focus stacking technique. I'm using my LG V30 smartphone and a separate macro lens. My LG V30 smartphone comes with a native camera app that features manual control. So I have the option to adjust the focus manually, which is very important in this process. So what is focus stacking? It's nothing but combining multiple images of same subject captured with both camera and subject in same position. Only thing that changes is the lens focus to capture images at different focus points. The idea is to get individual shots of different parts of the subject in focus. Once these shots are taken, they can be combined in Photoshop or any other editing software with image stacking feature. So let's get started. Most important part of focus stacking is that subject and camera should be absolutely steady. So you need a control environment which is mostly indoors with no wind or other disturbances that causes movement of the subject or the camera. Once both are in place, make sure the subject is well lit with good amount of lighting. Keep the lens focus on manual and focus point adjusted to the nearest part of the subject from camera. Start taking photos while slowly adjusting the lens focus. Make sure that some part of the subject focus area in one image overlaps in next image. This helps Photoshop to execute best results. Basically, the more images you take, the better. Normally 15 to 20 shots are sufficient. After taking photos, the next step is Photoshop. After creating new project, load all the images in Photoshop as layers. Open File menu, select Scripts, and then click Load Files into Stacks. Click Browse button and select files you need to load for stacking. Before clicking OK, make sure you check the option to auto align the source images. This way all the images are lined up automatically. Depending on your system processing power, Photoshop will take some time to load all images. So wait for some time to load all the images as layers in Photoshop. Now select all layers. Select the edit menu, click on auto blend layers. A new dialog box will appear. In the dialog box, click on Stack Images option and click OK. Photoshop will now blend the images together with selecting sharpest focus areas from each image and combine all images into a final result. After you are satisfied with the results, you can merge all the layers to make it a single image. You may need to crop the final image a little bit and then give some final touch to the image manually. Here's the final image that you can get. This result is not possible with single shot regardless of what camera settings you use. So that's it from my side. I hope this was useful. Please put your questions in comment section and I will try my best to reply. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.